stop. What if I told you right now a $2,400 sale just slipped away from a business in your city? And it could have been your client. A gym owner missed a $500 personal training sign up because they couldn't follow up fast enough. A salon owner lost a $150 monthly client because their booking system failed them again. This isn't happening occasionally. This is happening right now to hundreds of businesses in your area every single day. And here's the kicker. Local business owners in your city are watching $2,400 walk out their doors every single month, and they have no idea how to stop it. They have struggled with lost leads for years, and until today most had no real way to fix it. But here's where it gets interesting. What if you could be the go-to AI expert who walks into any business and solves their number one nightmare? Well, buckle up, because what I'm about to show you is huge. This is the biggest opportunity in local marketing since Google Ads went mainstream. My name is Neil Napier, and joining me is Taki Askari, founder and lead developer of Local AI Fleet. Together, we've built and sold multiple software companies, generating over $20 million in revenue for our clients. But what I'm sharing with you today is different. This represents a breakthrough that's about to change everything. Now, you might be thinking, another marketing guru making big promises. I get it, but here's what I want you to understand. When you position yourself as the AI expert ready to capture this opportunity, this is for you. Every night, local business owners lay awake thinking about the customers who expressed interest but never came back. That consultation request that went cold. That $500 appointment that never got booked. It's not just money, it's their dreams slowly dying. Think about it. Every dentist, gym owner, salon, auto repair shop, restaurant, they're all dealing with the same nightmare. Leads come in during their busiest hours. They get pulled into serving existing customers. The phone rings while they're hands deep in work. That text message sits unread for 3 hours. The potential client moves on. The money walks out the door, but here's where it gets really interesting. What really keeps them up at night? They know they're losing customers. They can feel the money slipping away, but they're trapped. They can't clone themselves. They can't be in two places at once. They can't respond instantly while running their business. You'll discover that positioning yourself as the AI expert who solves this nightmare isn't just an opportunity, it's a goldmine. Because when you can walk into any local business and say, I can deploy an AI employee that responds to every lead in 23 seconds, books appointments while you sleep, and fills your calendar with paying customers, even on weekends and holidays. How much do you think they'd pay for that? $300 a month? $500? $800? The answer is whatever you ask for. Because you're not selling marketing, you're selling them their sleep, their peace of mind. You're selling money. Let me show you something that will change everything. That's exactly where Local AI Fleet comes in. Local AI Fleet is the complete AI employee in a box system that lets you deploy intelligent automation for any local business in under 8 minutes. No coding, no hiring, no technical nightmares. Here's how stupidly simple this is. Step 1, pick your client's business type: dentist, gym, salon, whatever. Step 2, Local AI Fleet automatically builds everything: QR codes, landing pages, SMS automation, appointment booking, the whole system. Step 3, deploy and watch the magic happen. Leads get captured, conversations start, appointments get booked, money flows in. And the best part, your AI employee, never sick, never misses a lead, replies instantly, every time. While your competitors are sleeping, your client's AI employee is booking appointments at 2 a.m., handling weekend inquiries, and capturing holiday revenue that everyone else misses. Now you might be thinking this sounds too good to be true. Let me show you what happened when businesses deployed similar AI-powered solutions. A busy Manhattan dental practice saw a 157% spike in bookings. The manager said, "We used to lose track of leads, now our calendar is fully booked." Or how about this restaurant that implemented QR code ordering with automated follow-up and increased monthly revenue from $12,000 to $16,800 US. These businesses didn't use Local AI Fleet because nothing like this has existed. They paid tens of thousands to have custom systems built piece by piece. But now, with Local AI Fleet, you can deliver the same results for any local business in under 8 minutes. You can feel confident knowing that you're not the first person to try this. You're joining a community of successful agency owners who are already making it work. But here's what's really happening right now. Right now, smart agency owners are quietly capturing entire local markets using AI. While you're watching this, they're landing 800-month retainers that their competitors don't even know exist. Here's the truth about timing. AI in small businesses surged 500% last year alone. The early movers are winning big. 6 months ago, 99% had never heard of AI employees. Today, that number is 60%. In another 6 months, the window closes forever. The early movers get rich. Everyone else competes on price with overseas freelancers. Picture yourself 90 days from now, you're collecting $15,000 in monthly retainers, your AI employees are booking appointments while you sleep, and local business owners are calling you the expert they can't live without. Imagine the relief when you never have to explain why their leads aren't converting again. Instead, you're the person who solved their biggest problem. As you consider the possibility, you will notice how simple this becomes when you have the right system. With Local AI Fleet, you're not trading your time for money anymore. You're selling systems that scale. Now you might be wondering about the investment. Look, I know this might sound too good to be true. Maybe you've been burned before by systems that promised the world and delivered nothing. I get it. I've been there myself. That's why I want you to understand something important. Normally, a system like this would cost you a fortune to build. If you hired developers to create custom AI automation, QR code generators, SMS systems, and booking integration, you'd be looking at $50,000 plus and 6 to 12 months of development hell. But because I want to get Local AI Fleet into the hands of serious agency owners who will actually use it, I'm not going to charge you $50,000. I'm not even going to charge you $5,000. For the next few hours only, you can get the complete Local AI Fleet system for a single payment. And just to make this a complete no-brainer, I'm throwing in 3 premium bonuses worth over $1,000. Bonus number 1, 20 niched landing page templates worth $497. Bonus number 2, ready-to-use client pitch scripts worth $397. Bonus number 3, smart business hours, autoresponder worth $197. Miss out now and you pay full price, lose these premium bonuses, and watch your competitors pass you up. Let me show you something else. I know you've probably been burned before by systems that promised everything and delivered nothing. That's why I'm backing this with the strongest guarantee I can possibly make. Try Local AI Fleet for 14 full days. Deploy your AI employees, land your first client, see the results for yourself. If you don't absolutely love what it does for your business, just email us and you'll get every penny back. No forms, no hassle. You keep all the bonuses. You keep any money you made using the system. And we part ways as friends. I can't be more fair than that. But here's what I really think is going to happen. I think you're going to deploy your first AI employee in the next hour. I think you're going to reach out to a local business this week, and I think you're going to close your first 500 plus retainer before the month is over. You can feel the excitement building as you imagine walking into that first client meeting knowing you have something they desperately need. Listen, I could keep talking about features and benefits all day, but the real question is this: 6 months from now, do you want to be the agency owner who captured the AI wave early, or the one still wondering, what if? The choice is yours, but choose quickly. Because in the AI revolution, there are only 2 types of people: the early movers who get rich, and everyone else who watches from the sidelines. Don't be the person who sees Local AI Fleet cost $497 in 6 months and thinks, man, I should have grabbed this when it was under $100. The window is closing. We're excited to welcome you to Local AI Fleet. Click below and claim your spot as your city's AI leader before someone else does. Your future self will thank you for it. I'll see you on the inside.